before we start the second week of this class, I'm going to explain some of the information I have uploaded. These are the lectures that I have given over the couple of last year, and what we are teaching here can be recorded and be used later as is needed. Okay, today we go. Okay, 하는 식으로. Okay, and the solutions of the problem for other math courses that I have taught, my student with myself have solved the problems like this, as I showed you. Okay, let's go to page 50. Okay. So, for the problems that you're gonna solve throughout this course, some of you may solve a problem and upload it in our Q&A board. Then some other students may revise it, and then after the revisions made, then one of those students, as well as others, can finalize the solution and upload it. Then I will start to grade it until it is really done. So it can be used as a examination problem and solutions. Okay? Okay. Okay, then this is the format that you supposed to follow. You may change you may use the different color when you solve the problems, like this. Okay, one person who solved the problem write it in a black, then the other one may use a blue or a green and red to have the final answers like this. Okay, so this is the format that I like you to keep. Some of the difficult problem can be revised several times until you get the final answers. This process will provide you the learning experience as well as the knowledge. Okay, and okay, here, if you found this kind of note, then all you have to do is delete the first part. Then you will see such information because you already have the website address. Okay. For example, if you want to find the vector equation that passing through a certain point, then you may solve it and view it like this. Okay, this is so when you solve the problem, then you may not only give the solution, but also you may add the code or your solution or graph, as well as the website that you can publish it in Sage without much difficulty. Okay. Here, it is one. iCampus. Where is our website? Here. Okay, here. On a calculus. Q&A. And what else? Okay, and many of you have worked hard for the chapter 1 by solving the problems and to share what you have done in this Q&A board. So, and also, the questions that you have raised has been answered by me and by your classmates. So, those things has been done. And here's my office hours. And these are the information that I have supplied to you. So, and also, I have uploaded some reading materials for you. I told you 4321 is the password that you can use for the files that I'm going to upload in this bulletin board. And this file that I was writing recently will explain you the origin of calculus and the motivation of the studying calculus, differential and integrals. And if you click this web address, then you will find the interactive applet that you can practice. And also, I told you that those applet is working better in Sage. In Chrome. We were trying to work on. For example, you are learning copy. Then go to the Sage cell, the Chrome web browser, to download it, to copy it and paste it. Then you will see, for example, this cell, this shows the Riemann sum, the meaning of the Riemann sum, the approximation of integration. For example, for sin x, if you make more divisions, then addition of those blocks will make this value. If you go it small, then you will have a less number. The left approximation was 1.81 feet, and real integration value is 2. So the error is this. If you choose the right side, then you will have the similar value, but you are looking for the right height to find. If you use the midpoint, then your height is on the middle of it to make the area of each blocks, and sum of it, which makes 2.01. So we have an error. So those things can be done. Trapezoidal rule. This makes it much smaller, much closer to the real areas. And these are the things that you have to learn through this class. Not only the computation, but also the history and motivation and computational tools and analysis of it. Okay, if you want to find the tangent line of this curve at this point, you have to do is click it and evaluate it. So you have this form, this curve, and this is the tangent line at 4 point at x is equal to 4, something like this. So if you change it, if you change the function, instead of 2, if you have a 3, then from minus 10 to plus 10, then you will have this function with this tangent line. So after you done, you will have a lots of freedom to do the things. We have developed the theory and the tools and many others as well. This is another information for you. Okay. So here, as you see, for solving the calculus problems, now we don't have to compute first. We now to draw the graph first, and then draw the graph first, and then explain what she found. And also we do interactive manipulation to understand the meaning of it, and also use the same method for other complicated problems as well. And there are other informations here and there, so you may take a look. There's also an Excel graph that you can download. You can download it for free here. Here, if you download a graph, then this is the Excel graph. For that, you can download it and use it to draw the graph without any cost. Okay, those are the information that I have given you. And I told you that today we're gonna review Q&A like what we did, and also I have handed over to you the solutions that you have submitted. Then I explained the concept of differential equations and etc. Then now we're gonna start the chapter 2. Before we start the chapter 2, as you asked me, I will explain the history of calculus first. Okay. Is there any question before we start? Okay.